So, I'm back to painting. Sabi ko nga, since ito canvas ito, I think can do something sa Trader Joe's na tote bag ko. So, I started doing, nag-draw muna ako because I want to have like a face. Tapos, yung bird flower ko na narcissus. Ito siya. So, I did, first, I did, of course, i-draw ko siya muna and then I'm gonna do the painting after that. Hindi pa ako tapos. And this is just the start. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung finish ng bag na to. Alright, see. So, yun na yung initial na I painted. Ito yung bird flower ko. And, I don't know kung ano yung mga I'm planning to make it like mayroong sun dito, yung parang rays of the sun sa flowers, tapos pababa dito yung grass area. So this is how it is now. So far, ito yung natapos ko ngayon, yung face ng lady, tapos yung flowers, yan. And I did base pa lang ito. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Kasi pag nagdo-drawing ako or I'm doing my painting, while I'm doing it, yung mga ideas lumalabas. So, yan. So, tingnan natin. So, I just added this. Yan. And, I don't know what I'm gonna do with here in this part. So, ito na yung progress for, I think this, mga 2 hours din eh. Yung ginawa ko. I'm not done with her lips. Tapos yung face niya, hindi pa rin tapos. So far, hindi pa tapos. So, we'll see how it goes.